Hi, everybody. Meteorologist Joe Cioffi here. Weather in 5 days in 5 minutes, brought to you by Omni True Value Hardware at 1226 North Wellwood Avenue in West Babylon, 631-756-1125. They still have plenty of rock salt and all the premium snow melt products should we have a problem with sleet, freezing rain, or maybe even a little bit of snow if it gets into the mix come Sunday. So pay close attention to the forecasts. Freezing rain and sleet are not to be fooled around with. Even a minor event of sleet and freezing rain can cause problems. And Omni True Value Hardware will be open if such a threat materializes. Also, Weather in 5 is brought to you by our newest sponsor, which is LIHolidaylighting.com. And they're at 162 Ocean Avenue in Lindenhurst, 631-957-5106 to take care of all your holiday decorating needs. And if you want to holiday decorate as a business, give them a call, 631-957-5106. So our system played out according to plan. There's another little disturbance that is moving across the mid-Atlantic states, and we still have residual ice storm warnings in eastern Kentucky, winter storm warnings in southwest Virginia, and winter weather advisories across most of central and southern Virginia. This is not going to really produce a whole lot in terms of snow, and none of this moisture that is affecting this region will impact our weather other than clouds, and maybe there in areas, say in south central or southeastern Pennsylvania down into Maryland and Delaware, a stray snow shower might appear overnight or during the day tomorrow. We are kind of fighting some clouds where you see all this white, this sort of milky white area. That's actually snow cover. The brighter white, higher cloud tops are showing up well and moving from the southwest to the northeast. Some areas up toward northern New Jersey, southern New England, and the Hudson Valley and Long Island broke out into some sun today, while areas to the south staying in clouds. And of course, our snowfall from last night pretty much played out according to plan, with everybody getting basically a few inches. Some places in New Jersey picking up 3 or 4 inches, and also some spots in central and western Maryland picked up some snow. This is the radar from earlier in and around the New York City area, but all that was when the snow was just about pulling out. I'm just going to bring up the Dover radar so we can get an idea of what's happening to the south. And this is like a little area of snow showers, at least aloft this evening, in a triangle from Lancaster to Harrisburg and points south. Then we have another little batch that's back over in central Maryland, and you can see some steadier precip well to the south. But again, we're not really overly concerned about this. So going forward, the story is going to be two storm systems. The next one is for Saturday late into Sunday. Looks like it may get in a little later, so that the daytime Saturday for much of our region from Maryland on up into southern New England will be dry during the day on Saturday, but Saturday night into Sunday, we're going to see some wintry precipitation. And this also takes us out through next week when we have a storm system, a more important one, it appears, for Monday night and Tuesday. And that could be snow, ice, freezing rain, and rain, depending on your location. And the liquid precip amounts, this takes us actually right through next Wednesday night. So there's another storm system that the models are pointing at for late next week, but that doesn't count in here. But the precip here is ample. That purple area is at least 1.5 inches of melted liquid. The darker purple is 2 inches of melted liquid. And of course, you can see the heavier rains to the south and the warmer air from the Carolinas down to the Florida Panhandle. We're going to take you through the models here. The very latest NAM model is just out. Again, a little slower. Most of the precip amounts that are being generated for Saturday night and Sunday with this system is on the order of about 1/4 inch to 1/3 inch. So it really kind of makes a big difference if it comes in the form of sleet or does it come in the form of freezing rain. And you can see that the NAM is showing an area of mostly sleet here, but this could change depending on how the mid levels of the atmosphere warm up or not. And then this pulls away early Sunday morning as the system moves away to the northeast. So it comes in, looks like by 4 o'clock in the afternoon, starting to see some precip move into Maryland and Delaware. By 7 o'clock, precip is advancing further north, and then the bulk of it will be overnight into early Sunday morning. And then that low pulls away, and you start to see the next round of moisture out to the west. That is with the second storm system that we're talking about for Monday night into Tuesday. And this is the GFS's view on this. So the European is very similar, with a cold high building to the north. Once again, the low levels of the atmosphere are going to be very cold. That high is going to be stubborn. A low is going to try to go to our west, but it will probably not succeed and then redevelop to the east off the Virginia coast. And how quickly that redevelopment takes place is going to determine really who gets what here in terms of snow, sleet, freezing rain, and how much. This is down the road in the long range. The first focus for us will be for the system over the weekend. So this bowling alley pattern that I've been calling it, where we're basically the 10 pin in a bowling alley, and storm is the bowling ball, one storm after another after another. Some are stronger than others, and just kind of trying to work it all out in the models is a bit on the difficult side. So pay attention to the forecasts. We'll probably start to zero in a little bit in terms of amounts and what to expect for the Saturday night, Sunday morning system later in the day on Friday, and then after that's done, we'll start paying attention to the stronger system on Tuesday. And of course, if the Sunday system is a problem, the Saturday night Sunday system is a problem with icing, OmniTrueValue.com still has plenty of rock salt, and you can get it by the ton if you got a truck big enough. And also, all the premium snow and ice melt products are available. 631-756-1125, 1226 North Wellwood Avenue in West Babylon. And our other sponsor, our new sponsor, Wholesale Holiday Lighting by, I keep saying lightning because I'm a weather guy. Wholesale Holiday Lighting by Giannini for all your holiday decorating needs. 162 Ocean Avenue in Lindenhurst, part of Giannini Landscaping, 631-957-5106. And of course, we'll have complete details on everything that's going on both weather systems and the long range on the Joe and Joe Weather Show on my YouTube channel, Joe Cioffi, coming up tonight at 7:30. So hopefully we will see you then.